Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about formatting background for columns in Power BI. So let's start. I've uploaded this file which I'm going to open up now. I've uploaded this file into GitHub and I'll leave a link to the file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial with me. Over here I'm just going to talk about the background color by color scale. So conditional formatting for a particular cell background. And then I'll take up other topics on the same background color, but this one's specific to color scale. So let's start. So let's go back to the mishmash of visuals I had. This is the TableX visual. I'll just put it into focus mode. And let me just close this. So you have to click on the formatting tab or the paintbrush. And once you've clicked that, you scroll down to conditional formatting. And let's say I want to specifically have sales amount and add conditional formatting for that. So what do? I select that sales amount and click background color, and I'll just need to enable that. And you can see it's something's happened. So let's just open the advanced controls over here. And this is by color scale. So I'll take up other topics like rules and field values in the next few videos, but let's just go through this. So it says that the lowest value is red and the highest value is green. And let's just say I enable diverging color. So it says in between we've got more of a yellow. And let's say instead of maybe, let's just keep that and click OK. And we can see what's going on. So it's showing us that the higher values greater than 1,000,000 is more green, and then we've got some yellows, and then we've got as we go down where the values reduce. You can see 66,917 is fairly red, but as we go up we can see that 290,000 is sort of yellowish, and then we've got amounts in millions of dollars. So you could probably go and change that. And let's say if I, in place of this, I could say, make it from maybe blue to something. And the highest is probably purple or something. And I'll just click OK. And you can see all of a sudden, so I can set up this field formatting by color scale. So in this video, we learned how to set the background color for any column using color scale in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.